What is up, guys? Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some iPhone 11 cases made by Humixx. I'd like to thank the people over at Humixx for sending me out these cases so I can do this review for you guys. So here I have the iPhone 11 dummy. We're going to be going over this case for the iPhone 11. I also have a few cases for the 6.1 iPhone 11 and the 6.5-inch iPhone 11 as well. I don't have a dummy, but all these cases are pretty much the same, so you can kind of get an idea based off of this case here. So this is the 5.8 iPhone 11. Here is the case by Humixx. It's got like a frosted back. It's pretty hard, and then it has a kind of a less rigid edge, but it still feels like that rubbery TPU with that harder back. So let's go ahead and put in our iPhone here. You just kind of slip it in. Okay. So let's take it that raised edge. So there's a nice raised edge. So if you put your phone down, you won't have to worry about the glass touching anything. Here we have your volume rockers and then your mute button there. Seems to fit pretty nice. The rounded edges as well. The power button. The cutouts for your bottom here, and then there's the back. So it's, as you can see, you can still see the iPhone logo on the back. It's just like a frosted. It looks pretty cool. There's the cutout for the camera. It's got a nice soft feel to it. It's just plastic. It's not rubber or anything, but it still has that nice soft feel to it. Feels pretty good in your hands. And you can also use all these cases with your wireless charger because there's no metal backing. So these will work perfectly for the wireless charging. I like that. Feels good. Looks nice. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple other cases here. So this is for the 6.1 version of the iPhone 11. It's just slightly bigger. This one's got a frosted edge with a clear back. So if you get a colored iPhone, you can go ahead and show off that color versus it being hidden behind a black case. And then it makes it look like every other case that's, every other phone that's out there. And it comes with a little protective backing here, so you don't have to worry about it, scratching up before you get to it. I like that frosted edge. It looks pretty nice in the clear back. So as you can see, here is the 5.8 and the 6.1. It's just slightly bigger. And they're not very thick either. It's just enough to give you a good handle on the phone. But I do like that clear. It's pretty nice. Here is another 6.1 inch. It's got a nice clear back just like the other one, and the black edges. This one looks pretty nice too. So if you like that black accent, you can still show off the color of your phone, whether it be black or red or something else. And it is super clear, like that back, like mirror. It's really nice. And this is definitely hard plastic and the soft rubber edges. And this one has the protective cover on it too. So that's the 6.1. And here is the bigger brother of the first case that I showed you for the 6.1. It's got that frosted backing and the black edges here. Very nice. See again, here is the 5.8 and the 6.1. And then here is the 6.5 inch bigger brother. So this is probably going to be iPhone 11 Max. This is the biggest one. Again, it has that frosted backing with the black edges. And then compared to the 6.5, it's definitely a lot bigger. So we take the 6.1, put it next to the 6.5, and then the 5.8. You can see like a cell phone signal. It goes up. But yeah, these are pretty nice. So those are the cases by Humixx for the iPhone 11. I will be putting a link in the description as soon as these become available. I just kind of wanted to give everybody a preview of what they look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.